So what are we going to do with it?
Put it in there. Put it here.
Okay. Should I help you pour it in? Take it out of the box? Wow. So we have a mixing bowl here. Well, I have to open it. Do you want me to open it for you? Should I open it? Okay.
I got water.
Whoa, do you think that's enough? All right, I think that's enough. Whoa. Okay. That's a lot of Cocoa Pops, isn't it?
Yeah.
And then over here we have
Chocolate.
melted chocolate. So what are we going to do with it?
Put it in there. Put it here.
Okay. Should I help you pour it in? Should I pour it in for you? Yeah? You have to mix it.
That was I don't.
Alright, let me help you mix it. Still got a bit more chocolate in there. Uh-oh. You licking the bowl? Alright, have you mixed all the chocolates in? Alright, so what do we do now?
Put it in there.
Put it in the tin? Okay.
Eat it or you're gonna put it in the tin.
It's in the tin now. So what do we need to do now? Do we put it in the fridge for a little bit? Yeah? Alright, should we put it in the fridge? It's done. So it's been in the fridge for how long?
14.
No, it's been in the fridge for maybe like 2 hours. All right, so who wants to cut a slice?
Me.
Mini, mini, miny.
Me.
All right, go on. So, all right, since you did the mixing, let Solomon do the cutting. Is that fair? Okay, go on, Solo.
What?
Do the cutting, cutting.
Okay.
Wrong side.
Songs. Huh? Everybody don't know how to cut this.
Okay.
But you can. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Pussy, oh. Oh, yeah, wow. That's cool.
2 slices.
Yes.
Go on, guys.
Whoa! Whoa! That Cocoa Pops on my. Get out of the Cocoa Pops. That Cocoa Pops.
How does it taste?
A Cocoa Pops on my. There.
Okay. How does it taste, guys?
Good. Good.
All right. Do you want to say bye to everyone?
Bye bye. Bye everyone.
Subscribe, like, and comment.